Today we're going to solve linear equations using Cramer's rule. Our goal for today is to get the value for x, y, and z by using the determinants only. So, sa ato ang previous nga lesson, gikuha na to ang solution for x, y, and z through using row elimination or row operation. But this time, just by using the determinant, so we can solve the x, y, z. So, mao ni siya ang formula sa xyz. D is for the main determinant and dx, dy, dz is our variable determinants. So, ang first, jud nato nga buhaton kay mag-augment og matrix. So, same as what we did sa pag-augment sa matrix, we're going to take the coefficients of the equations. So, since we saw three different variables here, so we're going to expect that our left side of our matrix has three columns. So, ang first natong kwaon kay ang main determinant. And ang focus sa main determinant kay ang left side sa matrix. And this time, we're going to ignore the column for the constant. So, copy only the left side of the matrix. And this time, we're going to use the Saros rule. So, it's up to you. In Cramer's rule, you have to remember that it's up to you if you're going to use the Saros rule or the Laplace expansion. But if gi-instruct sa exam, kung Saros ang ipagamit, Saros lang. Kung Laplace, Laplace lang. Okay? So, always remember that sa Saros rule, dapat mag-una gyud ang three diagonals downward, then minus the three diagonals upward. So now we have the value for our main determinant, which is 13. So ang next natong subayon diri kay ang the determinant of the variable x. So kung ganiha sa main determinant ang focus kay ang left side sa matrix, karon ang atong focus kay mo gyapon left side. However, i-ignore ang column for x. So again, if you're going to get the determinant sa variable x, you have to ignore the column for the variable x and replace that column with the value of the column constant or the column of the constant. So kopyahan lang Saros rule gihapon. So now naanatay value sa atong determinant of the variable x which is 5. So next, the determinant of the variable y. So ganiha dx gi-ignore nato ang column sa x, karon dy i-ignore na pud nato ang column sa y. And ang kana nga column sa y alisdan nato og column sa k. So instead of 230 gihimo natong 231. Same gyapon Saros rule kay mao may atong nasugdan. So karon na natay value for the determinant of the variable y, which is 9. So same process for the determinant of the variable z. So we're going to ignore the column z and replace that with the column of k. So now we have the value for the determinant of variable z, which is 3. So we can now solve the x, y, and z. So we have to substitute the value. So it's very easy to memorize the formula for x, y, and z. No? So for x, dx over d. For y, dy over d. For z, dz over d. So this time, sa ninyo nakita karon, masimplify ba ang fraction dili? So that's the final answer. So Kramer's rule is another way to solve the linear equation, the solution of the linear equations.